Here is the countdown module, which was purchased from Knight Rider Historians, and the LED indicators themselves are 8-pin devices, each containing 4 LEDs. Now I've wired these with a common high side. The LEDs themselves have writing, have the part number on one side, and if you look at them with the part number on the top, then the cathode of the diodes, the LEDs, is on the right side, so the anode is on the left side here. So this is the anode side of all of the LEDs, and I've commoned those together and then joined each of the LEDs in series and put the low side switched return through a resistor of 470 ohms to one of the pins. So the connections to the unit are, we have a common high side here, which is the red wire. We have ground switched connections to each of those, which is a brown wire for the first one, the power one, a grey wire for the second one, fuel on, an orange one for the min RPM indicator, and a green one for the igniters indicator. And they come out on this 9-way connector with the pins numbered 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Pins 1, 2, 3 and 4 are the ground switched connections to each of the indicators, power, fuel on, min RPM and igniters, and pin 5 is the common high side to all of the LEDs. And that is a very nice little unit, thanks to Knight Rider Historians. Okay, countdown lamps are fitted. Just need to repaint the tunnel area because we had to widen it very slightly to make these fit. So let's power it up. Displays the software version and then does the countdown. And the voice display seems to be working quite nicely, so all good so far.